Systems of inequalities. What are systems of inequalities? They are a set of two or more linear inequalities that involve the same variables. So again, we're going to have two inequalities just like with systems of equations, and they're going to have the same variables, those x's and y's. So what are the solutions of the systems of equations? And I said solutions because there are multiple solutions, because remember we have a shaded area with our inequalities. So the solution to the system is the shaded area of the points that satisfies both. So when we graph this out, it will make more sense. We're going to have two shaded areas and an overlapping area, and that overlapping area is our solutions. So let's look at these. Remember, we want to always start graphing with our y-intercept. So I'm putting a point right here at -1, and then I'm going to graph points based on slope. My slope here is -1, so I'm going to go up 1 to the left 1. And this tells me that I have a dashed line. And then it is greater than, so that means we are above the line and my shaded area is here. So for this first inequality, this is where my solutions are. Let's graph that second one, again starting at the y-intercept at 5 and then plotting points based on slope. This one, the slope is 1. And then connecting our lines. Again, we have a dashed line. That's what that inequality looks like. Let's shade. Where are we shading this time? We are shading below the line. Let me get a different color. So below this line, below this line is this area here. So that's the solution to that particular inequality. Now we see this area where we've got both the green and the yellow. That is our shared solution shaded area. And so the solutions to this system of inequalities is any point within this area where they had overlapped, where the shaded areas overlapped. So this is my solution set. Okay, same thing. Graph each of them. So I went ahead and graphed them. This is that first line, this is that second line. Here's the solution set less than or equal to right here, greater than for that second one. So we can see right here, this tiny little area. This is the solution set here. Alright, if our graph is given to us and we want to know are these points. So this is already, the systems is already graphed, and then the shaded area here, that's where our solutions would lie. So let's see if any of these, A, B, C, or D, are within the solution area. So we've got +1, -3. Nope, that's way outside. Okay. We've got -2, -2. That is on this line. This line is a solid line, so that would be a solution. -4, +4, that one right there. Let me label these. This is A, B, C. C is a solution, and 0, +1. That's not 0, +1. Sorry, not that one. D. 0, +1. That's on a dashed line, so remember that's not a solution. So again, you can see we've got our systems of equation graphed. Here's one line with its solution set. Here's another, and so this purple area where they overlap, that is our solution set. So that's where we're going to look for some points at. Here's A. Nope. 2, 0 is on that solid line again. We got 3, negative 4, that's on a dashed line. So it's not a solution. 5, positive 4 is up here outside of that area, so that's not a solution. So B is the only one that is one of our solutions.